Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed viewers, I welcome you to an enlightening review presented by myself, John Waite. Join me on an intriguing exploration of the world of internet marketing. Your presence here today is highly valued, and I am honored to have you with me. Are you ready to catapult your income to extraordinary heights, reaching an impressive $10,000 per month? I urge you to click on the first link in the description and gain access to the transformative 100K Alliance, a community that thrives on excellence. Now, let us delve into this compelling review, where I present not just one or two, but an impressive array of 4 exceptional bonuses that will undoubtedly captivate your attention. Our first bonus provides a gateway to a vast network of 250,000 engaged email subscribers, replenishing your list each and every Friday. I offer precise guidance and reveal valuable strategies to effectively tap into this valuable resource. Additionally, I present a self-hosted autoresponder solution, allowing you to optimize your email marketing capabilities without incurring exorbitant expenses. Witness the power of these invaluable tools as you propel your email marketing endeavors to unprecedented levels of success. However, the excitement does not end there. Prepare to be enthralled by our second bonus, a remarkable traffic method that resonates within the marketing landscape, even in the ever-evolving year of 2023. Experience an influx of targeted traffic flooding your offers, blogs, and websites, igniting exponential growth and amplifying your online presence. Embrace this transformative opportunity and become a driving force in your industry. But that is not all. Our third bonus unlocks the potential within the realm of YouTube. I am delighted to share strategies that will position your videos at the pinnacle of search results, enabling you to garner substantial views, engagement, and a loyal subscriber base. Embrace this chance to solidify your presence on one of the most influential platforms, propelling your brand to unprecedented levels of recognition and success. Last but certainly not least, our fourth bonus offers an exclusive chance to promote Empire, a premium product crafted by my esteemed mentor. By aligning yourself with this flagship offering, you'll seize the opportunity to earn a compelling 100% commission throughout the entire sales funnel. Embrace the prestige and financial rewards that accompany the promotion of this exceptional product. Now, esteemed guests, the time has come to embrace the limitless possibilities that await, but allow me to offer a gentle reminder. The path to success begins with a single click. Follow the first link in the description to join the ranks of the 100K Alliance, a reputable haven for aspiring achievers. And if you are eager to obtain the product under scrutiny, do not hesitate. Click on the second link to embark on an unparalleled journey of growth and enlightenment. Secure your seatbelts, dear viewers, as we engage in a thrilling expedition toward prosperity and fulfillment. Thank you for your presence, and I eagerly anticipate our shared pursuit of excellence.
And thank you for checking out Zzero Budget Commissions. The name of this course says it all. I'm going to show you how I've made $100 to $200 a day with zero budget. Now there's a big problem that I'm trying to address with this training. When I started out, I took a lot of different courses on affiliate marketing. Almost all of them required me to pay a lot of money each month. Hosting, autoresponders, you name it. And this really put me off because I hadn't even started making any money, and suddenly I had monthly expenses. Luckily, I persisted and I managed to make $100 to $200 a day. I even managed to have an $800 day. So you can do a lot with this method. I will tell you now about my journey to develop Zzero Budget Commissions. Once I started making money, I had a lot of people contacting me on Facebook for coaching. A lot of my students were really scared by all the usual upfront costs. So I experimented with free methods to get traffic, capture leads, and make bonus pages. Another thing that I've developed is a new way of sending traffic. The methods I teach here are really good for newbies and for veterans. It's going to allow you to send hundreds or thousands of targeted visitors to any link. The beauty of it is you can reuse this source anytime you want, and you don't have to pay any monthly fees for it. I also teach a hack that I use to get high quality lead funnels for free. I'm also going to show you how to build bonus pages for free. And I also show you how to get your own bonuses to give away to get you even more sales. So you will learn how to start a complete business with free tools. I'm also going to show you how to reinvest your earnings and scale up, how to build your list quickly. That's the key to making money online. I'm also going to show you how to get paid traffic that converts into sales at very low prices. All of this you're going to get inside of this course. If you take action on this training, you can get good results and scale up. So if you want to start a legitimate online business, then get this course right now. I'm giving it away for a very low price. Normally the amount of information in a course like this can go for hundreds, even thousands of dollars. I'm giving all of this away for less than a pizza, but only for a limited time. Then I will be charging full price for this. So grab your spot today, and I will see you on the inside.